Hi guys, this is Kitty. I'm just doing a quick tutorial here about how to do face claims, what needs to be done, just so everybody's on the same page. Okay, so here's Hourglass, and to get to the face claims is pretty easy. I'm pretty sure everyone's figured it out, or could figure it out. But down here in the middle, there's just an outside link, which is great, called face claim. I'm gonna hit that, and it brings you directly to the face claim page. Alright, so just going over this page a little bit, we have the females and the males, and there are notices at the top with the big red cross signs. Please read those. On every page, try to read kind of, or at least scan really well, the text up there, because a lot of the time we get questions that actually are in the description of the page. So it's a lot easier if you guys read it yourself, because we put them there for you guys. So, alright. So, what you'll notice is we don't have the character names tacked onto the celebrity names, but that's just sort of to save space. And if you'd like to know what celebrity is what, you just kind of go down, you see, say you have a character in a show that goes along with Abigail Breslin, and I don't think she's in any shows, but bear with me. So say you want to plot with her, you don't know who she is, you just click on the link, and it brings you to her page. You can see she's Normandy and Moore, and you've got her history here. You can read it, you can see how old she is and everything, and then it's easy just to go to her plot page and plot with her, or PM the user. In this case it's me. But yeah, so going back, alright, so say you've just gotten accepted, you are going to want to make a face claim so that nobody else takes your face. Alright, so you're going to highlight down here. This is the code here, and you're going to click copy. Go up to the top to add reply. It's also at the bottom. You hit that. We're going to go down to the reply box and paste the code into there. So right away you're going to see there's a couple things you need to fill out. You can't just let this go through. It won't make any sense. So you've got link to characters application. So right now I've got my character Charlotte up here. So we're going to pretend that Charlotte has just been accepted. You got the little acceptance notice going on down here. You're going to go up to the top of the page, which you can't see on this screen, but you're going to copy the address in the address bar. So doing that, you come back and you paste that into the link characters application, and there you've got that there. Then next you'll see celebrities' first and last names. So I'm going to put Danielle Panabaker. And then you're done, or you're almost done. It looks like you're done, but a lot of people do post like this. But see what happens if we preview. It's gonna be kind of small, but you literally just get the link. It's as if it was already in there. The only problem with this is that means the staff have to go edit your post, or else we've got to get into the quote of your post just to get the text in order to put it into the face claim. If we scroll down here, you'll see that it says make sure you post the claim in code tags. Now, a lot of people don't actually seem to understand how to use code tags, which is okay, so we're going over it now. So you're going to want to highlight this. This is the easiest way to use it. At the top here, you'll see code. Click that, and it puts the code tags in for you. So this at the beginning, and this at the end, these are the code tags. All this does is it puts your text literally into a nice little highlightable box here that we can just easily right click and go add it for you. Now that's if you're going to add your face into the face claim. Now say you want to change your face. So for example, if I wanted to change from Danielle to, let's say, Emma Watson. This is something you wouldn't do, by the way, because Emma being Hermione in the movies, you can't use her because it kind of kills the realism of the site. So, no movie characters, please. Alright, so you got that, but you can't just post that, because we see that and go, okay, and we just kind of put it up, and we don't know which character you are replacing it to, so we're going to have to go through the big long list of characters to figure out which one is related to your application, and that's just hard work for us. I mean, we can do it, but we'd really rather not, because then we have more time to do plotting and stuff with you guys. So what you're going to do is just write a little notice at the bottom. So changing from Danielle Panabaker, or you could put, I don't know, old play by is Danielle Pennebaker, or something along those lines, just so we know which one we are deleting. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the reservations. Now, basically the reservations are if you have a character that you haven't finished the application yet, but you want to make sure that nobody takes your face, and you can't post the face claim because your application hasn't even been accepted. So what you're going to do is reserve your character. It's really easy, pretty much the same concept. You're going to highlight the code down here, and take note that it says right above it, please post the form inside of code tags. So now we know how to do that. We're just going to go to the add reply and paste this here. Highlight that. Oh, see how I'm going over the square brackets? I'm not supposed to do that. Alright, so we're going to put, let's say, Danielle Pennebaker again. And it says a week's time date here. Don't leave this blank, please. Look at your clock or whatever you have. Right now, for me, it's the 11th, it's the 16th of November. So what you're going to do is put the month, the day, and the year. So we just kind of keep it in this format because for the most part, down here, it's all in the same format. It just kind of keeps things a lot neater. And because it's said to post in code tags, we're just going to hit code, and there you have it right there. Perfect. So going back to the reservations down here, I just want to make a quick note before we finish up that up at the top there is another little notice there, and it says once your application has been accepted, you need to remember to post back to lift your reservation and fully make your claim. So all this is saying is once you've been accepted, even if you've reserved the character, you do need to come back and make the face claim again like I showed you the first time. This basically just make sure that it's been up there, because when we look at the reservations and we check the dates, we don't check and see if that character has been accepted or not. That's up to you guys to make sure that it's all here and that everything has been filled out properly. And that's everything. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask a mod or an admin. You can ask in the C box, or you can post a question on the question and answer forum. Remember to read everything at the top of all the pages. If you have any more ideas for any tutorials you'd like to see, anything like that, let me know. Alright, bye guys!